Hello, and welcome to the show. As you can see, this is a slightly different video than my other ones from before. Today I will be unboxing a Insta360 One R. So without further ado, let's get on with it. So, as you can see, I opted for the Insta360 Magic Stick or whatever this camera goes on, as it will probably help out with my OneWheel videos. And the second thing in the box is the Insta360 One R itself. I opted for the 360 model along with the 4K action camera. For those of you that don't already know, the Insta360 is a camera where you can change out the modules on it for a 360, a 4K, a 1-inch sensor, and many others. So from what you can tell, this selfie stick has the ability to have things threaded onto the top and to the bottom of it, so you can change out the adapter for what you desire. It's a very high quality selfie stick and allows you to immediately connect the Insta360 One R to it, along with its provided mount. This works in conjunction to make sure you have a invisible stick in your 360 videos. So let's get on to the star of the show, the Insta360 One R itself. And now I have the fun job of trying to figure out where I have a pen or a knife, or, oh, I'm just going to go with a pen here. And always the hardest part of any unboxing is getting that lid off. So after we get the lid off, we can see everything that this camera comes with. You'll have the camera and camera module in the top section, the 360 section in the middle, and that bottom red part as the battery. But first, let's start on with the accessories. So this camera provides you a USB Type-C cable, so you can connect your camera back and forth from your computer. So the second thing in the box is the GoPro adapter, along with a little protective rubberized cover for your 360 module. And the third thing is the GoPro adapter. This allows you to connect this camera to all of your various GoPro devices, along with the little threading adapter for the Magic Selfie Stick. So let's move everything off to the side and see the last few things in here. So you're provided with Insta360 stickers, one white one and one yellow one. I'll have to figure out where I'm going to put these. So you have a little bag for you to be able to throw your camera in, so it no longer has to deal with different moisture, along with keeping it a little bit more protected. Last but not least, you'll have a dedicated little lens wipe for you to clean off your camera and make sure that you don't scratch up either of those lenses. And a little bit of warranty stuff at the very end. So let's get all of these accessories out of the way and finally get to this camera. But first, I'll take my very sweet time just to get everything out of the way. So right here we have the battery module, which can be exchanged for a fully charged battery later down the road. Second thing that I mentioned before is our 360 module. This is primarily what I'm going to be running on the camera, but I felt as though getting the 4K adapter was very useful for this, as it can also take its place as a GoPro or other types of action cameras. And right here, you can split the camera apart, giving you the ability for this modular design. That way, if anything were to break on this camera, you can just swap it out with a different sensor or camera, processor, or battery. This makes it much more convenient than any other camera, as you no longer have to sit there and wait for the camera to charge, or if you accidentally scratch the lens on one of these modules, then the camera itself is just ready to be thrown away. It's very nice and simple to be able to disassemble this camera. Along with this, for the battery, they have a very funny warranty sticker or warning sticker on it saying, "Please do not drop in fire." Well, hopefully I wouldn't be dropping this thing in fire, but who knows? There's definitely somebody out there who's done it, which is why they had to put this sticker on there. But here is how I'm going to be running the camera with the 360 module, the processor, and the little battery on the bottom of it. And it's primarily going to live in this little selfie stick to the right. Overall, it's very convenient to split apart this camera into its individual parts. That way, you can just interchange any of these parts anytime you need. I hope you like this unboxing video, and as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.